Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO X90 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So all we need to do is hold power key and volume up. This will bring up our boot options, so here select power off, and once the phone turns off, hold power and volume up again. Oops, let's try it again. I just kind of slipped, but once you start holding these power buttons, or power button and volume up, we will see VIVO, and then it will boot us into Fastboot mode. Now in here, to navigate to these options, all you need to do is use volume keys to navigate up and down, as you can see, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. We have two options in here. We have recovery mode, which obviously takes us to recovery mode, and reboot, which takes us back to Android. So I'm gonna leave this mode by selecting the first one. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.